Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Just on our way over to meet up with one of my friends. He's got a 2013 S197, one of a kind. He's done a lot to the Scar. You'll see when we get there, you'll see what I mean. Or you can tell off the thumbnail most likely. But we'll do a little walk around to the car, we'll go for a little drive, I'll show you the exhaust and all that. But yeah, it's definitely a unique car. It's a V6, it's got a turbo or a supercharger. I think it's a supercharger, not at the moment, but we'll get into that and in another video I want to do as well, because it's an issue we have out here, but you'll see what we mean when I go over that part. So stay tuned. Like always, thumbs up, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thanks for watching this video, and make sure to share with your friends. And let me know what you think of this car, because it's definitely one of a kind, so stay tuned. Alright, here it is, guys. Started off as a 2013. Well, still is a 2013. But you can see, definitely one of a kind. The owner's right over there. If you want to follow him, there's his Instagram. He's also got his YouTube channel. Make sure you go check it out. Follow him. Bunch of pictures on there of this thing. We'll start off on the front. You can see here on the hood, he's got the carbon wrap. Come up. It's got the hood scoop on there. And then these are from the actual GT S197s. You can see it fits the car perfect. It's also got the window banner. It's another one of the car meet channels. If you're in the Vancouver area, we're gonna start up our cruises now that the weather's getting a little sunnier. We'll come down here. You can see it's the Boss 302 front bumper and the grille. He's got the custom hoses here. That's all for the cooling. It actually runs through on each side, and then it'll go up into the cooler. You can see definitely a heavy modified S197. Got the tow hook on the front. You got your hood pins. Pop open in a bit. I like the covers over the lights. The little strip that goes across the lights, I think fits the car pretty good.
Yeah, it's from American Muscle. It's a headlight splitter, that's why they call it.
Alright, then you come to the diffuser in the back. It's also the Boss 302 with the Ford Performance exhaust. You can see it, nice and shiny in there. There you go. Ford Performance. From the back you can see the little bit of the wide body. Sticks out just enough, not too crazy. just enough to make it look a little different. And then your strip to match the rest of the car comes back down this side. Alright, quick look under the hood. Start up top. Like I said, the vents work. They're the parts from American Muscle. You can see through there. When we come down, hood struts installed, which every Mustang should have. Then your intake, he's got the dual air filters, custom made by himself. And you can see the hoses that we talked about earlier, they come up here. There is a Pro charger for the car, but the cops up here recently have been a pain in the ass for everybody. So it's off for now because obviously it stands out. So he's going to court to figure it out. And basically the more stuff you have off the car, the better it is. So once it's all said and done, the Pro charger will go back on and hopefully the cops will stay away. You can see it's also got the brace across the top. Megan Racing. You can see here the hood pins bolt on nicely, drop down out through the vents on the front. Yeah, we'll move on to the back. Super clean in the trunk. Might be a little hard to see, but you can see the rear seats are deleted. Netting to keep anything you might have in your trunk in your trunk. Super clean look. We'll move on to the inside and take a look in there. Take a quick look on the inside. You can see following the red theme as well. Steering wheel, your brake. Got some gauges here. Some more in the middle. That's your vacuum, water, oil temp, oil pressure, all that stuff. S197 dash, which not used to because I've never had one. Seats. He's got the Cobra on there. Nice leather. Like we said, the rear seats are deleted. Just a little cover to keep it all looking nice in there. And then if you look on the dash, you got everybody who's important to the Mustang, basically. Got Rowe, Shelby, Ford himself, Celine. And also at night, you can't see it now, you've got the red lights to light up around the car. Ready to go for a quick cruise. You can see we're inside. Gauges are lit up. Waiting for the never-ending traffic to go by. See, it even looks mean in the mirrors. There's the owner here. Hear how it sounds for a minute. your car, what's your favorite part? If you
My
had to pick
favorite part.
one mod, what's your most?
It's probably, guys, the kind I did interior with all the lighting and stuff, gauges. You know, most of the time you spend in your car is in interior, right? Looking at it. Though with the carbon fiber, the gauges I got from American Muscle, the red steering wheel, basically everything I did on it. It's you know, pride and joy.
Everybody asks the same question: V6 or V8? 6-cylinder versus 8-cylinder. This is the 6-cylinder, so what made you choose to go all out with the mods on here?
So guys, why V6? Why not V8? Everybody I know in Vancouver, they drive V8, S197. I'm talking about S197 V8. If you talk about S550, obviously I like more the GT. It's just V6 they made, it looks kind of ugly. But why V6 S197? It's, as I said, it's unique. I just wanted to always build that car, put a Pro charger in it or whatever to make it like more powerful. It's just, again, as he said, I had the problems with the Vancouver police. They pulled me over and I had a Pro charger. They checked that. He was like pretty smart cop, so he knows everything about the cars. I couldn't fuck him over or talk him over. And for inspection I had to take off the supercharger, Pro charger, sorry. And basically I'm still going court May to clear that off. But V6, it's just basically the only thing I can tell you why V6 is because everybody builds V8, puts a supercharger in it. For me, it was a thing to build a V6 and put a twin turbo or a Pro charger. But when I started, Pro charger was a little cheaper than a twin turbo. Twin turbo was kind of expensive for me. It was a little low for my pocket when I got this car 2 years ago. So that's why I got a Pro charger. Hopefully one day I'll get a twin turbo or something bigger, get a more power to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Well, there you have it, guys. One final walk around. Definitely a one of a kind. If you see him driving down the road, you know who he is now. Hopefully not pulled over on the side of the road. Bright red. Love the color, especially out in the sun. Like we said, we'll throw some pictures of the lighting at night. I know he's got his HIDs up front as well for the headlights and the fog lights. Yeah, make sure go follow his channel.
Rossi, bro.
Follow my channel, like and subscribe to both of them, and stay tuned for more.